Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, they're going to be on-track prepping their car, and I'm also going to be installing the cage in my car. Well, it's pretty much installed already. I just got to drill some holes for the bottom floor, but that's what we're going to do today. Fucking Ben's on the floor. Jordan's here today as well. We're going to on-track prep his car as well. And I think we're also going to do something in my car, but we'll see.
Oh my god.
The cage, it's pretty much bolted up already, so you actually do have to delete the rear seat to put this thing in, because you do get rid of the buckle that actually latches the seat on, because it bolts right up to it with two 12s. But the holes that I need to drill today are these ones. I wasn't able to drill the track because I didn't have the proper drill bit to do it, but now that I'm back in my place, I'll be able to do it now. But look at this long ass fucking drill bit I'm gonna use to get it. I'm gonna drill this bitch, I guess. Fuck. I hope there's no fuel lines down there. Oh, there we go. There's one. Oh shit. Goodbye wrist. Goodbye wrist. Yeah, here. Alright. Alright, let's bolt that shit up again. Here, seize Mila. We get out. Alright, so the holes is successfully drilled in. Now we just gotta put the bolts through and then make it sit on the cage. Record the cage because that shit was such a bitch. But I also took my tin off so you could see it. Just gotta clean the residue off. But we got it fully bolted in now. Looks fucking mint. Can't wait to repaint it. But it looks so good. But that's in now. Took fucking forever to get in, but it's in now. I ended up putting the bench seat back just to cover it up a little bit. I do want to make something to cover this up and maybe put like a blocking thing here so you can't see into my trunk from the window since I don't have tint now. But I kept the tint on the rear just so it's harder to see in the trunk. But yeah, that was the cage. But sorry I didn't record it, but it looks fucking sick. Alright, so we got the Supra in here today. We're gonna be actually making it low as fuck and exploding a lip that we just got. But this is Brian's new lip. What lip is this?
Aero Lux Boutique.
But yeah,
Spec HT.
that shit's gonna make it dummy low in the front. But we're installing it right now. It seemed pretty easy. Literally just clips on the underneath and like 3 torque bolts. But we're gonna mock it up now. Well, we do have to drill the holes a bit bigger because the bolts didn't fit. But should be pretty easy. See how long this lip lasts. Today is. Alright, let's mark a date so I can make a video about this. Today is January 23rd. I give it till January 24th. Alright, we gotta expand the holes now. There you go. That's it. That's fucking mint.
That's mint.
Yeah.
That's the perfect size, yeah.
So you do have to drill in this one area right here. Drill a little bit into here. But you literally just take that bolt off and then you put the nut in there and you bolt it up. But that's the only thing you really have to drill. Alright, so the lip is fully installed. Super easy to install.
I didn't do anything. I watched.
Oh, I wanted to die.
Easy. You're just adding slip
That's actually
underneath.
pretty easy, you know?
Just give it another 30 seconds for it to crack. Big reveal. Anything under the car really quick?
Brother side?
Oh, you're fucked. That's lower than Jordan's car.
Is it?
Yeah. I can't even, my fist is like pressing in here. Jordan's I can get my hand underneath and I have a little room.
But Jordan,
You're scraping going out. Dude, look at that.
Get ready.
you're gonna do that.
Look at it.
What?
Look at
Want me
it.
to back it?
I bet I can see you in that, dog.
Yeah.
I'll never get a secret.
No, you're good, you're good.
Come more.
Come on.
Right, back up. You were
Holy shit, that shit goes hard.
Okay guys, welcome to my Supra. Just put on the heritage lip and
God damn, dude, that shit sits fucking low, dude. Dude. Bro, you're fucked. Alright. We got Ryan's wheels off now. Rest in peace. Never settle for less.
hey man.
But Brian's new wheels are gonna be on in the next like week or two, right? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll cut to that.
Actually.
Pull the CRV so Brian can pull in. Gone. Hard this way. Here are his new wheels. Can't wait to see him on. They're TE37 SLs. I believe these got discontinued, but I'm not sure they were discontinued in like the Supra specs. But I know for Type R's are discontinued, so it's gonna be pretty nice seeing these on the Supra. Going back to Brian's roots of white wheels again. So that's gonna be super cool. But yeah, Brian's jacking up the car right now so we can mount at least the front wheel for now. But ooh, I'm excited to see it. But I know I said I was gonna release what wheels I got, but I had to hide them from you guys just for now. But I'm not gonna post what actual wheels I got until the car's actually running because I want to do a photo shoot with them so you guys can really see them. But here's a little sneak peek of that lip. Ooh, got a fat lip on them. But definitely this is a wild ass spec and I can't wait to show you guys. Oh shit, first time mounting the wheels. I got them mounted for Brian because I'm tiny. Brian's too fucking massive.
Too fat.
That's swole. You gotta get a... Dude, these boards are deep in here to get these legs in. Oh fuck, give me the... I can't even reach in there. Dude, oh my god, they look so good. Oh my god, dude, you're back to white wheels again.
Dude, this is what I get for listening to my friends.
I know. Ooh, shit. Dude, watch it just buckle your hood. Ooh, shit. That goes hard. Look at that. Ooh. Dude, it literally goes right up to like the edge now. Hell yeah. Oh god, I can't wait to see the rears. We're waiting on Lem right now. He needs to hurry up. Man, we would only see the rear on if Lem's car wasn't so slow. Brian's hella stressed.
We're good.
Is that all 4?
Yeah.
Or all 5?
All 5.
Alright, cool. Hell yeah. Ooh, fuck. I gave it the drive home before they're dirty as fuck.
Yeah.
It's rainy outside anyways. Hell yeah. The slow transport vehicle has arrived. Ooh. The rear wheels are now off. I can't wait to show you guys the lip on these fucking rears. They are mint. Dude, look at the lip on these things. Oh, fuck. Alright, Brian, put them on. Dude, look at these. God, oh my god, so good. Alright, you guys, hear me out. If this video gets 1,000 views, Brian needs to get the EVS fenders.
Stop.
Oh, fuck. No, I'm kidding.
I like the suspense, you know what I mean?
Hell yeah. Feels good. The suspension has to settle though now. Because we just jacked it up.
It'll look even better once it settles.
I know.
Oh
Ooh.
my god, dude.
That's the rear.
Right, there you go.
God, look at those. Little sneak peek of the Fitment. Just look at it. That shit's tight as fuck. Can't wait to show you guys what those look like. Dude, Brian, watch. This setup is going to be exactly like how the Type R was. You went from Graham lights to white TEs to white Regas. So just give him maybe like 2-3 months.
Stop.
Or when Ben comes to visit again.
You're gonna have Regas.
Guarantee you there will be white Regas. So stay tuned for the next video of us installing white Regas. And either that or Brian's funeral because Morgan's going to fucking kill him. Got that fresh lip still installed. Surprised it's still on there. But you got the TEs on. Hell yeah, I'm going to do a photo shoot with it so you guys can see what it looks like. God, look at those. It's mad fresh. Yo, we going to fucking Supra Sunday with some Type R's. It sucks we got to take the slow one there though. We woke up late for Supra Sunday. Lem's only gonna race the 4-cylinder Supra that's here.
Yeah.
Fuck. Hey, good morning, Beck. I am so hungover, dude.
Funny, man.
Good morning. Oh, Lem's gonna fucking race the Supra. Oh shit. We literally just got here and then we gotta leave. But dude, there's some sick ones here, so
You're like, I identify as a Supra, bro. Like,
I identify as my car working.
yeah, I identify my car. Shut up.
You gonna run it. You're gonna run it, Lem.
Fuck it, send it.
Oh shit, the Supra's in the roll. Hey, line up with AJ. So sticking my head out the window right now, taking rollers, my eyes are watering. Like, it is freezing outside. Put your seatbelt. Put y'all seatbelts on. Oh, it was on the whole time. Damn, this whole video is gonna be pretty much just Lem versus every single Supra alive.
Make those.
Dude, crazy specs. Ooh,
Mr. Morris.
Nice to re-meet you.
hell yeah. Those look sick. Lem has to get some ease running out of gas. Everyone's sending it, probably like cruising at like 100 the whole way there. This isn't real life though. We're playing Forza Horizon 5 right now.
Yeah, I can put the diesel in there.
Yeah. We up Lem's compression. He no longer has spark plugs.
This is
We
fucking
run
cool.
diesel now.
Yo, is this E?
Lem, you get me back here sitting in the bleachers. You gotta get some rolls in. Shit. There's a lot of Supras up right now. Literally take up all 3 lanes of Supras. There's so many. You can't even see behind there, but there's a lot of Supras here.
Alright, dude.
Hell yeah.
Bitch ass!
Oh shit.
Wow! Gotta go around her big.
What up, boys?
Dude, hella Supras here.
What's up, dude?
Hello. That's sick ass mark. Hell yeah. Ooh, goddamn. Dog, why are the Supras waiting in line? We literally just got in.
Yeah, they were like.
Did you guys run anybody?
No, we didn't get a single run in.
Oh, really?
I was trying to get ahead.
Sending it.
There was just in traffic.
Yeah,
Dude,
dude.
literally, they would line up 3 wide, and that was the freeway width, so
Yeah.
Lem couldn't line up.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. I'm not gonna lie. I knew a few of them were running it up front.
Dude, they just kept Dude, they caused like so much
Oh, I
traffic.
know.
Oh, the new wheels. Oh, sheesh. Hell yeah. At Super Sunday.
It's Brittany, bitch.
Got Don John. Hell yeah. Look at that fucking lip. Dirty as fuck.
Oh!
Dude, the Supra's lined up out of the dock. Just drives off. Dude, the race car cut a bumper. Dude, this thing's sick. All right, let me see how his splitter's mounted. Dude, you just see on this car. That is sick. Hell yeah. GS wide body. Hell yeah. Thing's sick as fuck. Barely fits in the dock. Hell yeah. Dude, so many Mark 4s here. Hell yeah. Big ass fucking weld in the back. Not much he makes. That's his IG. Very nice. Super clean engine bay.
They're gonna be talking.
Yeah, I know. Morgan purposely didn't come so we can harass Brian to buy more car parts.
pretty much
Dude, those
fine.
EVS fenders, Brian, you need those, dude. Ooh. Hello, Supras in here. Angels. Clean as fuck. Let me get this on video so when you guys watch it with Morgan.
You get a Supra.
Okay, wait, no, I don't want this in the video.
World's famous.
Ooh. It's like Brian's twin, but he has different color TEs.
One famous guy admired
Ooh.
famous guy.
290.
Homeboy on the floor. Hell yeah. That thing's sick as fuck though. Fuck. I know, dude. I'm gonna have it one day. Fuck. So good. Hell yeah. One day. Hell yeah. This thing sounded wild. Heading back home from Super Sunday.